Power, performance, capability, and capacity allow you to take this on new adventures. Take a look at this 2022 Jeep Wrangler Sport S in black clear coat. With automatic headlamps, remote keyless entry, 17-inch aluminum wheels, black 3-piece hardtop, front bucket seating, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 26,000 miles on the odometer, 7-inch touchscreen, Apple CarPlay and Google Android Auto, Command Track part-time 4-wheel drive system, rear folding seats, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com. Stock number 55280A.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.